ekero twabwete chikura naende mheshimiwa natebagaya mheshimiwa Zaire na barangiriti bonse kianda tukaumirana tukagamba na barabo nkabatebya abana baminto chikura kyerire tigatubwatirane toya abantu baitu batwakire kura egas tukaigwana baro mpake basari and they are here, they can be a me witness. Ekera toiwana na barabo tugatebani chibesa chigocha toiwana tubabolinga ki inune secondary mugo support gose tertiary institutions so that a county government eire gose secondary totigera aba jumbe ba National Assembly and Senate there is no money, National Assembly bakoreki barwe basari. And I hope we love this discussion bawanchirana etubwate chibesa chigokonya abantu baitu abajumbe ntati ko bakirambia muno sana. For those ones who have decided to work with me, I'll work with you, my brothers. Omwelio Chigari cha Ktda and the director nolega Chigari Chikogendigwa Bobe Batebiga director nole. We will arrest those drivers. We will arrest them and we will give them to the courts. Abaskari no barega. We want to deal with that nuisance because ya kosi ya makweli ya mange abantu baumire nto gwanja ega ekogendigu likolime o kanganga ne rami igolere. Bwana director Ntaitemba sabe pass this communication. And Madam Hospidi nataka niseme leo Madam Christy ulikuwa unalia hakuna maji. Maji imefika, nimehakisha maji imefika. Lakini wewe ukiwa mkubwa wa hii tafadhali hizi gari za machani chai crack the whip because I'm told they are causing a lot of accidents. Kindly I want to request make sure kwamba umenyorosha wao. Wakilia watalia mara moja na order itarudi. Asante. Mongno hiyo nyolire instruction na bao kolegas.